Today in this video I want to share about how we can open this type of the sewing machine, any brand, all of the mini size. So this is a brother sewing machine. The model is NS2730S. So I'm gonna open this is because of when we use this machine that we feel there is a burnt smell. So there's something wrong inside this machine. So I'm going to open by myself. So what the first thing you're going to do is any brand you can use this method. It's a very simple, but if we do not, this is going to be very hard and we can break the machine. So first I already opened this up. The first of all we're gonna do is we need to unscrew all the screw from the body, just like this. I already removed all the screw, and then the next thing is, this is very important, we need to remove this. So you don't have to screw, there is no screw here, so you just need to pull very hard and this will come out. So these things we need to remove. And the second, we need to remove these things as well. So there is no need to open from here. You just need to pull so hard, then this will come out like this. And these things you need to pull up, and this thing you need to pull up. So this is very important. Alright, so these two buttons. So you already pull up this here, and all the screw you already remove, and we just need to lay it out. Laid out in this position, and here all is we just need to use just like a test pen. We're gonna remove something like this, and all we need to release a little bit from all the clip area and all these parts. So we just need to dig a little bit, the small, you don't have to push so hard, this will break. So all these parts you need to dig with the test pen, and from here. So right here, all these parts you need to dig, and you're gonna open in this position. Right. So after that is you just need to dig from here, all this position a little bit, and all of this. You just make it slowly. So my message to do for this video is, first we must not forget to remove these things, otherwise you cannot take out all this cover. Alright, so then slowly we remove this cover. So what we're gonna see is here, this is the body inside, and one part's already remove the cover, and this cannot be stand here anymore. Alright, so I need to put it a little bit in this position. Okay, and this is the cover. Right, so this is the cover. It's a very simple, but sometimes if we forgot or if we do know how to do the things, then it's a pretty hard. So I just put these things on the side here, and make sure all you put your screw on one box so you won't lose. All I put the screw together. So this machine, we feel the smell when we press the switch, and I'm going to open the power. Make sure you switch off first, and here I'm going to plug the power and turn on the switch, and right here you're going to turn on the switch here, and this is the switch here. So this is the switch. So so we can see if I press a little bit, there's a smoke come out from here, so definitely this motor is burned. So there's smoke coming from here. So if I press more, then the wire is already burnt, or this motor coil is already burnt. If I press, this motor will run, but the smoke is already inside, so definitely this motor is already, so we can see there's smoke come out from here. So what we can do is we need to purchase this motor according to the model. So when you purchase the motor, we need to see the model number. You can get original part, that will be much more expensive, but if you can get at least the replacement part for this motor, as long as you can use and you still be able to use your machine. Otherwise you just need to buy the new one. Alright, so let me try. So we can see there's smoke coming from here. So the smoke is coming from here. So definitely this is very dangerous. I don't have to run the motor anymore. I just need to switch off and unplug. And I will remove this motor, and I'm going to buy just a motor only. If the price is not so expensive, then I will going to replace this motor. Otherwise I will just buy the new machine. Alright, so my message to this video is the way how we can open the mini machine. This is our machine. Alright, so you might have a plenty of a brand, and any brand you just need to follow up or remove these things, and remove all the screw, and you will set it. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching my video.